Okay, it's IELTS speaking part 1, and I'm going to ask you a number of different questions and you have to answer. Let's make a start. What is the weather like in your hometown? Means, how is the weather in your hometown?
In my hometown, it's a four season.
There are four
There are
seasons.
four seasons in my hometown, but usually I like winter mostly because
Okay, now this is irrelevant answer, and the question is different and your answer is different. What's the weather like in your hometown? In my hometown, we've got all four seasons. In summer, the days are very hot, and in winter, it is very cold. So we've got autumn and spring seasons as well. So the weather of my country is warm in summer and cold in winter, something like that.
Okay.
Okay, now let's go on. Do you prefer cold weather or hot weather?
I like cold weather because I like winter because I wear where I wish I want sweaters or long coats or long boots because I wear western dresses like the most, so that's why I like winter weather.
Okay. Do you prefer dry weather or wet weather?
It depends on my mood because dry weather is not suits my
Does not suit.
does not suits my skin because my skin is very dry. So in dry weather, I my skin was totally damaged.
Okay, dry weather totally damages my skin.
Skin. So that's why I like.
That's why I prefer wet weather and all that. Okay, what do you do when it rains?
I like rainy weather, and whenever rains. Whenever it rains, I'm enjoying a lot.
I enjoy a lot.
I enjoy a lot. I eat different kinds of foods, different kind of food like junk food. I like the most, so that's why I like rainy
Good,
weather.
that's good. So that's what I do when it rains.
When it rains.
Overall good, but you need practice and familiarity. And remember, you need to organize your answer. Okay. Now it's your turn. Let's make a start. Do you like technology, like mobile phones and internet and all that? Do you like technology?
Yes, I like technology because I am into it as I am a computer teacher. So it is my field of work.
All right, that's good. What electronic device do you like the most? Or which
Obviously,
electronic
it's,
device? Yeah.
Obviously, to answer your question, it is mobile phone, which is the need of the moment, and everyone in my country, or even if you look outside the Pakistan, or in different areas, or wherever you go, you find mobile phones in people's hand. So it has become the need of the moment.
All right. Is there any piece of technology that you would like to buy in the future?
It is like I want to have a MacBook. I really want to get a one because as I have discussed it earlier, I am a computer teacher, so it is my basic requirement of job. So I want to get it.
All right. What do you think about artificial intelligence?
It will replace the current technologies. It will. The artificial intelligence is something which is going to overcome the difficulties of human in the jobs they are facing, whatever the difficulties they are facing right now. Let's take an example of chat gpt. So you give a command or some kind of a clue word, and it will provide you with the proper answer.
All right, that's good. Overall, it's fine. Be familiar with all these topics at the end conclusion. And when you answer, try to connect your sentences together. Mainly use compound sentences, okay? Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.